Okay. And then whiteboard. Boleh dengar ke suara saya?
Rasa.
Okey. Terima kasih. Okay, so let's doa first. Okay. Sekejap. Okay, so bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma ftah alaina hikmataka wa anshur alaina min khazaini rahmatika ya arhamar rahimin. Ya Allah, bukakanlah ke atas kami hikmah-hikmahmu dan limpahilah ke atas kami hazanah rahmatmu. Wahai yang maha pemurah lagi maha penyayang. Amin ya rabbal alamin. Okay, so okay. Okay, so since yesterday we do free body diagram for a structure, okay, two member frame, okay. So we have to draw two FBD for separate two members. Okay, this one, right? Okay, then okay, so this one, this is the question. So first, break into the two components, two frames. Okay, two components pula, two frames, the two members. Okay, so this one, oh, Okay, so this one is member BC. Okay, so this is member BC free body diagram for member BC. Okay, and then another one is member AC. Okay, so yesterday, this one. Okay, so yesterday this one we draw this one is the load. Okay, which is 400 multiply with methane multiply with 1.5 meter equal to 600 Newton meter. Okay. Oh, okay. So this one per meter. So there is no meter. What left is Newton. Kalau Newton meter, it will become moment. Okay. Then we draw so let's say this one is CX. Okay. This one is CY. Okay. So it doesn't matter. Okay. As long as you put at point C, doesn't matter. Nanti kita CY. Okay. So this one I say okay. So this one will be AY. Okay. This one will be AX. Okay. And then for member BC, okay, we have this one will be the opposite one from the previous. So this one will be CX. Okay, this one will be CY. Okay, and then this one in the question there is no weight. Okay, since it in the question it doesn't give the mass. Okay, for every members. Okay, so and then we have force here F, which is equal to 500 Newton. So this one is 500 Newton. So B here is pin. Okay, so we have, let's say like this. Okay, it doesn't matter. So this one it will be BY. Okay, so this one it can be like this. Okay, it can be like this. So only choose one. Okay, so let's say we put this one. Okay. Okay, so here, how many unknowns in the free body diagram of the two members? Okay, so this one is FBD for member AC, FBD for member AC. Okay. Kejap, apa tadi? Okay, so okay, so kat sini Nur Afikah ada tak Nur Afikah? Dengar ke?
Ya.
Okay, so from this for these two free body diagrams, how many unknowns that we have? Berapa force yang kita tak tahu value dia?
3 ke?
Okay, cuba namakan apa force yang kita tak tahu.
Tiga ke 6. Yang AX, AY,
Okay, lagi.
BX, BY dengan CX, CY.
Okay, so we have 6 unknowns. Okay, thank you Afika. So we have 6 unknowns. So this one how to solve? Okay, so this one ingat tak? Kalau we don't know, we have more than 2 unknowns, we use previously we use summation fx, summation of moment. Okay, summation of fx cannot use. Okay, summation equal to 0. Fy equal to 0 also cannot use. So what left is summation of moment at certain place. Okay, at certain points equal to 0. Okay, so since we have two free body diagrams, so we can have two summation of my moment at certain points. Okay, equal to 0. Okay, so let's say in this case, we have to choose summation of moment for this one. Okay, for member AC, you can choose summation moment at A equal to 0. Sebab because we have two unknowns at C and two unknowns at E, two unknown force. Okay, so we can either use summation of moment at A equal to 0, summation of moment at C equal to 0. Just choose one only. Okay, and then for member F and for member BC, okay, so you can see here that CX and CY. At C we have two unknowns. Okay, for B as well we have two unknowns, so you can choose either one. Okay, tak kisah. Okay, so let's say we can choose summation of moment at apa ni? At C equal to 0, and then we can choose or summation of moment at B equal to 0. Okay, let's say in this case kita buat, okay, so this one we can pick the first one lah. Okay, so we pick this one. Tak kisah, you can either choose whatever you want. Okay, so let's say we choose this one. Okay. Okay, now what we have to do is we have to find the moment. Okay, so let's say find the first for member AC first. Okay, mana saya nampak ni? Okay. Okay, so we have to find the moment for this one first. Okay, so this one is CX, this one is CY. Okay, so once you have draw FBD tu, the force tu must be fixed. Okay, jangan ubah-ubah pula. Okay, so this one is 600 Newton, and then we have this one is AY, this one is AX. Okay, now we want to find what? Summation of moment at tadi apa? A, right? Okay, summation moment at A. Summation moment at A should be equal to 0. Okay, so this one is equilibrium equation. Okay, so let's say in the question state the equilibrium equation. So bear in mind summation of fx equal to 0, summation of fy equal to 0, and then summation of moment at certain point equal to 0. Okay, so now we want to find summation moment at a equal to 0. Okay, so at a, right? So at a, so automatically this one we don't have to count because the distance to a is equal to 0. Okay, now we have 600 Newton, right? And then we have cy and cx. So 600 Newton to the distance e. Kejap wait ah. Well, okay, this one then. Okay, so this one we know that, okay, 600. What is the distance? 90-degree distance from 600 Newton to 400. Ada tak? Ada or tak ada? This is the main question. Kalau ada, then you don't have to break into component x and y. So, okay. Muhammad Aizat. Ada?
Ada, doktor.
Okay, so Aizat. Okay, so nampak kan this diagram. Okay, so 600 Newton meter ni, dia ada tak 90 degree distance from the point itself to point A? Ada tak distance 90 degree?
Tiada, doktor.
Dia ada, sure.
Bawah. Ada ke bawah?
Ada ke bawah? Ada ke bawah. Okay, ada ke tak ada jawapan dia?
Ada.
Ada, okay. So, thank you, Aizat. So, okay, kalau you also notice, kalau load, okay, if anything macam, let's say load kan. Let's say we have loads. We have loads. Okay, so this is the, let's say, the road. Okay, this is the road. Apa ni? Road jalan lah. Okay, road jalan, and then we have a car. Okay. Tadi juga, okay. Okay. Let's say we have a road, okay, and then we put some, let's say, let's say we have some object, okay. Let's say a heavy metal, okay. So this is let's say metal, okay. So dia punya load ni supposed to be in the diagram, it will be like this, okay. The load is distributed evenly on the road, okay. So you can see that this one is, so every load tu dia punya ni mesti 90 degree, okay. So masih 90. So this one is also 90 degree, okay. Okay, so this one is 90 degree. Okay, so you can say that this is the distance. So berapa distance dia? from 600 Newton ni, dia punya distance from 600 Newton to A ni berapa? Camelia berapa? Camelia ada ke? Camelia dengar ke saya? Okay, so Darina berapa Darina? Darina ada ke? Okay. Let's say yang ni dia dekat at the middle. Okay, so at the middle 1.5 ni divide by 2. So which is
0.75.
0.75 meter. Okay. So then done. CY and CX. Okay, what is the distance from CY ni? Okay, so CY ni to the... Okay, tak apa. So yang ni dah... Okay, we just do as usual. Okay. So we have 600 Newton. Okay, and then this is the force. Okay, like this. Okay, and then we have CY. Okay, which is this is the direction of the force, and then we have CX like this. Okay. Okay, now find the distance. Okay, so the distance 90 degree distance to A is 0.75 meter. Okay, and then 0.75 meter. So this one is negative or positive? Clockwise, right? So it is negative. Okay, and then for CY, what is the direction to A? So it will be like this. Okay, so it is like... So this is towards E. So then you have to find, and then CX will be like this. So now we have to find what is the distance from here and then to here. Kita tak tahu kan distance dia. So we can use this angle 60 degree ni. Okay. Boleh ke buat sendiri lepas ni?
Data yang 0.75 tu dapat macam mana tadi?
0.75
75.
tu kan kita ada 1.5 kat sini kan?
Ha?
Sekejap. Saya baik. Okay. Okay, kita kan ada 1.5 kat sini, right? Kita ada 1.5 kan kat sini. Mana ni? Ni. The whole length ni is, nampak ni? 1.5. Ni.
Nampak?
Nampak? So load ni, okay, kalau load ni kita ambil dekat tengah-tengah as dia punya, kan kita dah kira 400 Newton per meter ni dalam 1.5, so equal to 600 Newton, and then we put at the center. Okay, so yang ni mewakili for the whole load lah. Okay, so kita letak dekat tengah. So 1.5 bahagi 2 is equal to 0.75.
Okay, thank you, Dr.
Okay. Then we have to find CY pula. Apa tadi? This one. The value for ni, what is the distance here? Macam mana nak tahu? Okay, so this one, let's say this one So we can use, okay, we have 0.75, we have 60, we can say that is cos. Cos kan? Okay, so cos 60 is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse, which is adjacent dia kita tak tahu, okay, which is A. Hypotenuse is 0.75, okay, and then so A will be equal to 0.75 apa tadi? Cos 60. So the value will be 0.375. Okay, ni meter. So this one meter. So then we get in meter as well. Okay, so yang ni so this one is equal to 0. Okay, CY ni. So this one 0.375 375 meter.
Doktor, saya nak tanya boleh ke?
Boleh?
Kenapa kita guna 0.7 bukan kita guna 1.5 untuk H tu?
H, cuba tengok H tu 1.5 kita sengit ke tak? Kenapa kita tak guna 1.5 as H? CY, apa tu distance, distance yang tegak ni ke? Maksudnya?
Untuk H, cos adjacent dengan hypotenuse kan?
Betul salah ni saya. Saya salah rupanya. Okay, thank you. Okay. So yang ni bukan 0.75. Okay. Supposed to be 1.5. Okay. Saya dah tak perasan tadi. Okay, so it's equal to 1.5. Okay, thank you. Dari Nai. Saya tak ingat dah. Adilai. Okay, so this one is equal to 1.5 meter. So then A is equal to 1.5 cos 60, which is equal to
0.75.
so 0.75, 0.75. Okay, so this one is 0.75 meter. Then we have to find this distance pula. Okay, so this one we can use tak kisah. This one you can use either time and then you can also use sine. Okay, so let's say we use sine. Sine 60 is equal to, so opposite over hypotenuse. So the opposite you don't know. Hypotenuse is 1.5. Okay, then opposite will be equal to O is equal to 1.5 sine 60, which is equal to
1.3.
1.3 meter. So this one will be equal to 1.3 meter. Okay, then CY ni, okay, distance CY is like this, okay, towards A, okay, which is equal to 0.75. Okay, so 0.75 meter. Okay, so this one is clockwise, so it is negative. Then we have CX. Okay, CX, the distance towards A is equal to 1.3 meter. Okay, so this is counterclockwise, so this is positive, equal to 0. Okay, this one you simplify. Okay, ni nanti simplify and then still we left with CY and CX. So still cannot solve sebab kita ada two unknowns. So what next? For kita ada another member, right, which is BC. So we have to do for BC pula. Yeah, for this one. Okay. So then draw the member BC. Okay, FBD for member BC. Okay, draw back the force that we draw earlier. So we have, okay, so make sure the arrow should be the same, CX, CY. Okay, so we have CX, okay, and then we have CY. Okay, this one is 500 Newton, and then this one is BY. Okay, so BX supposed to be to the left. Okay, okay, like this. Okay, so this is BX. Okay, now we decide. Okay, so earlier we can choose either summation moment at C or equal to 0 or summation moment at B equal to 0. Can choose either one. The answer should be the same. In this case, we choose summation of moment at B equal to 0. Okay. So this one, you don't have to count because the distance to B is already equal to 0. Sebab dia memang dah dekat point 2. Okay, now what we have is CX, CY and 500 Newton. Okay, now CX and CY. So this one dah settle lah sebab we already know this one, the distance is 1 meter, and here distance is given also, which is equal to 1 meter. Okay, now we draw for CX first. Okay, CX, this is the force of direction of CX. Okay, and then we have CY. Okay, so this is the arrow of the force, and then we have F. So we have F like this. Okay, and then we F pula, sorry. CY, okay. CY. So CY. And then we have F, okay. F, okay, so this is the arrow. Now we have to find what? 90-degree distance. Okay, so CX, the distance, 90-degree distance to B is equal to 1 meter. Okay. So this one is clockwise, so it is negative. Okay, so this one negative. And then CY, 90-degree distance to B is equal to 1 meter as well. So this one still clockwise, so it is negative. So for F, F already know 500 Newton. 500 Newton. And then, okay, distance to B is equal to 1 meter as well. 1 meter. So this one is counterclockwise. So it is positive. Then finally equal to 0. Tak ada kan? Already dah finish kan the force. This one done, done, and done. Okay, now. Okay, so we have simplified already. So we have Cx negative Cy plus 500 Newton meter is equal to 0. Okay, so yang ni we can make like Cx equal to 500 Newton meter minus Cy. Let's see. Okay, so this one will be the equation 1. And then this one we make it as equation 2. Simply after simplify lah. And memasukkan that apa tadi? This Cx, okay, the equation of Cx into the here Cx. Then we will get what is Cy. Okay, cuba find out what is the value of Cx and Cy. Okay, tak saya tulis balik so this one is our Cx, okay. The first equation 1, sorry. Okay. And then this one okay, this one you have to simplify, then barulah boleh make it as equation 2. Okay, tapi saya put je lah kat sini tu. So this one is equal to 2. So Cx ni, this one you replace into this one. Okay, then what is the, you can find out what is the value of Cx, what is the value of Cy. Okay, cuba kira dulu, then baru kita move to the next step. Boleh ke?
Boleh Doktor?
Boleh. Okay, kalau dah jumpa value Cx and Cy berapa? Any volunteers?
Doktor, CS 597.6. Itu betul.
CS 59.76.
597.6.
7.6. Not quite true, tapi dah almost. Should be around 400 something.
402
402.
ke?
Yes. 402.6.
4.
402.6. Okay, nanti find out yang dapat 500 tadi tu. Find out why you got.
Poin 44 doktor. Poin 44. 402.44.
Pun boleh. Okay. As long as you got 400 to something lah. Okay. 400 to almost to 400 pun is quite considered okay. So CY dapat berapa?
97.56.
Okay, so either 56 or just okay, macam ni lah. Okay, and then so this is the answer. Okay, so yang tak betul check balik what's wrong in your equation. Okay, so rugi. Once your equation is right, if the answer is not right, rugilah. Okay, rugi some marks there. Okay, now we can move to next. So okay, let's see. Okay, so let's say we already know that CY, the value of CY and CX. So now we know CY, kita buat, okay, CY and CX. Okay, then, so CY and CX we know. Okay, same for this one as well. So then we can find out AX and AY and also BX and BY. Okay, so for this one, we can use one FBD for, kita boleh guna FBD for every ni, okay, diagram ni. Find the summation of Fx, find the summation of Fy. Okay, contoh for member AC. Okay, we do for member AC. Duplicate lah. Okay, duplicate. Tadi. Okay. So let's see. Okay, so this is the free body diagram for member AC. Okay, free body diagram for member AC. Okay, now we know the value of CY is equal to 97.6. Oh, tak boleh. Okay, so this one is equal to 97.6 Newton. And then for CS we got 402.6 equal to 402.6 Newton. So now we can find AS and AY using, okay, find AX and AY using summation of fx equal to 0, summation of fy equal to 0. Okay. Okay, kalau dekat sini, you can see that, okay, you have to define lah. Okay, for every FBD, kena define what is summation y and x. Okay, in this case, it can be either normal. Okay, it can be either normal like this. Okay, this is y, this is x. Okay, boleh juga kalau you guys nak buat sengit. Okay, let's say this is your y, this is your x. Okay. Okay, so kat sini define. Yang mana kalau you use this first choice ni, okay, so this is second choice. This is first choice. Okay. Kalau we use this one, okay, first choice, we only have to break satu je yang sengit, which is 600 Newton. But if you choose the second choice of axis, yang ni katakan, then you have to break CY, CX, AS and AY. Okay. So choose axis yang you have to do less work. Macam ni orang kata smart work. Okay. So kalau macam ni we have to use to break 4 component, right? 4 force. Okay. Into X and Y. Kalau we choose the normal axis, we only have to break only one, which is equal to 600 Newton je. Okay. So then, so we choose normal XY axis. Okay. So this is our XY axis. Okay. So summation of, okay, so what we have to do, kena break dulu 600 Newton ni into dia punya component of, apa tu? This one will be X, okay. And then this one will be the Y. This one is Y, okay. And then this one is X, okay. Macam nak break tu, how you want to know the angle? Any ideas how we can use this? We have clue here, okay, which is 60. How we can use this 60 angle to find the angle either here or here. Macam nak buat tu? Ini dia. Okay, tak apa. Saya bagi dulu. Okay. So in this case, lah. Okay, so we have 60 right here. Okay, so let's say we break. This is the okay, so macam ni, right? Okay, so we know that this is 60. Okay, so this one will be berapa? This one will be 30 degree. This one will be this one here will be 30 degree. So this one is, you know, that is 90 degree. So lastly kat sini we got what? How much? 60 degree. Okay. So now break 600 ni. Okay. Faham ke macam mana dapat kat sini?
Faham.
Okay, faham? Okay. So your task is break this one into X and Y and then find out value. Okay, so task for what you have to submit for next class is apa tadi okay. Okay, so task, okay, Submit next week Submit Wednesday. Okay. Okay, nanti saya bagi juga assignments. So just put it, include lah. Okay. Combine it, this task and the assignments. And so for the assignment, submit on Wednesday. Okay. Find the AX, AY. Lagi apa? We have BX and BY. Okay, find the assignment from FBD, AC. Okay. And then find BX, BY from FBD, BC. Okay, clear? So far, any other question?
No, doktor.
No, okay. So, thank you semua. Okay, so Assalamualaikum.
Thank you, doktor.
Thank you, doktor.
Thank you, Doctor.
Welcome.
Thank you, doktor.
Welcome.
Thank you, doktor.
Thank you, Dr.